Nifty and Sensex. We all know there is a stock market in every country. Every day we listen to stock market updates in news channels. In India specifically, we could have heard about Nifty and Sensex. It is up by X points or low by Y points, etc. However, we don't know what it is. Let's know about these two terms in this video. Even a finance guy who works in the financial industry knows less about these stock market keywords like Nifty and Sensex. What is Nifty? Nifty is nothing but a financial instrument. It consists of top 50 listed companies from various sectors that are listed in NSE, National Stock Exchange. The combination of the words 50 and NSE, National Stock Exchange, gave the name Nifty. Investors are the people who buy or sell company stocks in the stock market. These investors can buy or sell any company's stocks mentioned in Nifty or the companies that are not associated with Nifty. Also, they have an option to buy or sell the Nifty index itself. What is Sensex? Sensex is nothing but a financial instrument. It consists of top 30 listed companies from various sectors that are listed in BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange. The combination of the words sensitive and index gave the name Sensex.